Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can post your Instagram post onto TikTok. That will work for your images, videos, reels, everything. It will also work for your existing content or new content. This is exactly how I grew my pages across different platforms, how to reach to 15k on TikTok, 11k on Instagram, and almost 5k on YouTube. And it is the same software used by all those big creators and brands. This tutorial, you will know how to set it up for yourself, and it will be done automatically for you. No need for you to download the video, re-upload, or resize, or remove watermarks. So here's how it works in 3 steps. You're going to connect your accounts, like your YouTube account, and then we will create the workflow. Once done, it will detect whenever you post new content to your account, and it will natively upload it for you. And of course, this same automation can be used to have multiple destinations, not only YouTube, but TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Once done, it will notify you every time the video was published across different platforms. As you see, I have already some workflow set up. In your case, you're going to see this view. Make sure that you first connect your Instagram account. You're going to select this one and then connect your TikTok account. And I'm free to select other accounts as well. Let's continue. Then I have the choice either detecting new posts going forward or also repurpose my existing post. I can do that for this tutorial. I can choose which post to include. Let me just include all the posts. Either choose to post how many times per day I want. Let me choose once per day. Let's continue. And let's review our workflow. Here it will work for all those new posts, existing posts. Let's create the workflow. Here you go. It is now importing all my posts. It detected all of my existing posts and it will publish on those exact dates. Once done, it will look exactly like this. So this is an existing workflow I had and it will mark those as published and I will have link to them. And that's it. In just a few steps, you're going to save yourself hours every week. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.